All rancheros. Wow, there's some pretty cool old trucks back here. Got some old cab overs, some old cab bobtails, a lot of cab overs. Truck's running right now. Even got the old school trailer behind it. Looks like about a 20-footer. Got the old school lift kit on the back. Rounded off top. Probably got rope tie-offs on the inside of it. Really cool. He takes it to the car shows here. But this is what we used to use back in the day. Well, not me, but old-timers. Pretty cool truck. Looks pretty cool coming down the road. Got an old GMC pickup back there, painted United. Got an old Chevy here, painted United. Here's New School.
See what the minute one.
What's that?
I don't know.
In the ashtray, can I see?